Let's be honest, there's nothing more annoying than your AirPods cutting off mid-call or in the middle of your favorite song. 1 second you're vibing, the next, silence. So today, Gbemi Gadgets is breaking down why AirPods keep disconnecting and, more importantly, how to fix it fast. The first reason is Bluetooth interference. AirPods use Bluetooth, which can get messy if you've connected your phone to too many devices. So if you have your watch, laptop, car, and another phone all trying to connect at once, your AirPods will get confused. Fix it. Go to Bluetooth settings, forget unnecessary devices, and reconnect just your main phone. Next, let's talk about firmware updates. Apple updates AirPods quietly, but if yours hasn't updated in months, connection bugs will start to show. To fix that, place your AirPods in the case, plug it in, connect your phone to Wi-Fi, and leave them side by side for about 30 minutes. They'll update automatically. Third, dirty sensors or charging contacts. If dust or earwax blocks the sensor, your AirPods think they've been removed from your ear. Clean them gently using a soft brush or dry cotton swab. Don't use water or alcohol, just dry cleaning. Another overlooked cause is battery imbalance. If one AirPod drains faster than the other, connection becomes unstable. To fix that, put both in the case, press and hold the button at the back for 15 seconds until it flashes amber, then white. Reconnect, that's a full reset. Now here's a real Nigerian problem: fake AirPods. They look real, sound okay, but they don't use Apple's official H-series chip. That's why they randomly disconnect, stop syncing with iCloud, or don't show battery percentage properly. Contact us today for your original AirPods. Finally, sometimes your phone's Bluetooth itself is the problem. Restart your device, or try connecting to another iPhone to see if it's stable. At Gbemi Gadgets, we deal with these daily: connection issues, fake AirPods, charging problems. Whatever it is, we can diagnose and fix it fast. Because when you buy from us, you're not just getting a gadget, you're getting peace of mind.